Hey, in one or more of your advertisements, the company information is missing. This is absolutely vital because applicants want to know immediately who they are applying to. Without this info, ads often appear less professional and are clicked less frequently on Google. Let's fix that right away. Click on the briefcase icon. There you will see all your job advertisements. If you already have many jobs in your overview, our intelligent filter menu will help you. Click on Options in the top right to expand the filters. Now look at the very bottom under the Filters Recommendations section. Here you will find the item Company Name Missing. Important to know, this filter will only be displayed to you if the system has actually found jobs where the information is not yet complete. If you don't see this point, everything is in perfect order. Select that specific filter and all associated jobs will be clearly displayed to you right away. Now scroll down to the company section. Enter your name here and zap, you're done. Your ad is now complete and ready for Google. It's that simple. With the company name stored, you immediately appear more professional and increase your chances of receiving suitable applications. It's best to quickly check if the name is entered correctly for all your active jobs. Good luck!